In the port of Duisburg, the largest logistics companies in the world join together at one location and profit from the close networking among each other, the trimodal connection to international ports, and the gigantic commercial and industrial areas. For a sustainable supply for our society, we must always find new solutions and overcome the new challenges of our time. As a startup incubator and accelerator, we support, together with our large partner network, ideas and teams which impact the world of tomorrow, which questions the status quo and continually further develop themselves. Fast, dynamic, exact, and only successful in the team. Those are the startups that determine how we will work tomorrow in logistics, together with the big players of the field at their side. A crucial question arises in our work. How will we work in logistics tomorrow? The world of tomorrow is determined by an idea. It puts in question what is and shows what can be. An idea is the source of our startups. Their home is common to them. Startport. We bring science, companies, investors, and startups together. Our exclusive partners are critical stakeholders in the Rhine-Ruhr economical region and support Startport in creating it to be the place to be for logistics startups. At the Duisburg Interior Port, you develop with us the future of logistics, a future characterized by sustainability, efficiency, and innovation, at one of Germany's most significant logistic locations and the start of the new Silk Road. Apply now with your startup and help invent the world of tomorrow.